Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? If you're an online entrepreneur, then you know that maximizing profits means working smarter, not harder. AI tools are transforming the way we do business, helping automate processes, improve efficiency, and boost profits with less effort. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 AI tools every online entrepreneur needs to maximize their profits in 2024 and beyond. If you want to streamline your business operations, save time, and increase revenue, stick around until the end. Let's jump into it. The first AI tool that every entrepreneur needs is Jasper AI. Jasper is a powerful AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're running a blog, doing content marketing, or creating social media posts, Jasper can generate articles, headlines, product descriptions, and more. It uses advanced natural language processing to mimic human writing, so your content feels authentic and engaging. With Jasper, you can spend less time writing and more time focusing on growing your business. This tool is a game changer for anyone who needs to produce regular content but doesn't want to spend hours doing it. Next up is Canva, an AI-powered design tool that is perfect for creating stunning graphics without needing any design skills. Canva's AI features make it incredibly easy to design eye-catching social media posts, ads, banners, and even ebook covers or print materials. The platform offers a huge library of templates that you can customize with just a few clicks. Canva's AI also helps you choose the best color schemes, fonts, and layouts based on your design style and goals. This tool saves time and ensures that your marketing materials always look professional, helping you stand out from the competition and attract more customers. Another AI tool that can dramatically increase your profits is Copy.ai. This tool specializes in helping entrepreneurs create high-converting copy for sales pages, email campaigns, and ads. Copy.ai uses AI to generate persuasive copy that's optimized to engage and convert. If you're running an e-commerce store or affiliate marketing business, effective copy is crucial to boosting sales and conversions. Copy.ai can help you create attention-grabbing headlines, product descriptions, and email sequences in minutes. This tool allows you to streamline your marketing and spend less time worrying about how to word your sales messages so you can focus more on scaling your business. Now let's talk about ChatGPT, which is quickly becoming an essential tool for online entrepreneurs. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist with a variety of tasks, from answering customer inquiries to helping you brainstorm new business ideas. Whether you're writing blog posts, responding to emails, or looking for ways to optimize your business strategies, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. It's perfect for improving customer service, generating creative ideas, and enhancing your business processes with minimal effort. Plus, ChatGPT can help automate communication, saving you time while keeping your clients happy. If you haven't started using it yet, you're missing out on a huge productivity boost. The fifth and final tool I'm going to mention is Zapier. This tool is an automation powerhouse, allowing you to connect different apps and tools together to automate tasks and workflows. Zapier integrates with thousands of apps,